Okay, so today we're going to be expanding binomials. Does anyone remember what a binomial is? It is an expression with how many terms? Two terms. Okay? So I have 1, 2 terms, and I'm multiplying it by 1, 2 terms. Don't forget that a term is, you must include the sign, so plus or minus. Okay, so the term is separated by plus or minus. What does it mean to expand? What operation would I do here? Multiply. Okay, so the first method I'm going to show you is the FOIL method. What does F stand for in FOIL? Anyone remember? First. So what that means is we're going to multiply the first terms together. So in the first bracket, that's the first term, and this is the first term, right? So I'm going to multiply this times this. What's 2 times 1? 2. X times x. X squared, good. Next we have O, the outside terms. So look here. We're going to multiply the terms that are on the outside. So I have this is on the outside, and this is on the outside, right? So just going in order. First term multiplied by each term in the bracket. What's 2x times positive 4? 2 times 4 is positive 8x. Now we have I, which is what? So we're going to multiply our inside terms. Which terms inside? 1 and 1x. What's positive 1 times positive 1x? Positive 1x or positive x? Last. The last terms. So we have, this is the last term, and this is the last term. Positive 1 times positive 4. Yes, it's like a rainbow method. Exactly. Now we combine our like terms. Do I have any other terms that have an x squared? No. I have a positive 8x and I have a positive 1x. Can I add those together? What is it? I have a constant term, a number by itself. Can I add that to anything? There's the answer. Okay, so we're going to solve the exact same question using a chart template. So what was the first binomial that we're multiplying? 2x plus 1. So I'm going to put 2x, and I'm going to put the second term, plus 1. It was being multiplied by what? X plus 4. So I'm going to put x here and plus 4. All you're doing is figuring out where these boxes meet to fill in the middle. Okay, so we have 2x times 1x, which is what? 2x squared. Okay, then we have 1 times x. Okay, you're just seeing where they meet up, right? What would go in the bottom box? 2x times 4, 8x, and then the last box, 1 times 4, 4, positive 4. Now you can look to see, okay, which terms are alike? These two. I have 2x squared. 8x plus 1x is 9x. And I have a 4. That's the exact same answer you just got on the other page. Okay, so this is using Algebra Tiles. I have 2x plus 1 multiplied by 1x plus 1, 2, 3, 4. How many x squareds do I have? I have 2x squared. How many x's do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oops, 9. Yep. And how many ones do I have? 4. Same answer. You're looking at what's inside. Okay, I have 2x squared, I have 9 x's, and I have 4. Is that what we got using the other method? You're taking the first term and you're distributing it. You're multiplying it by each of the terms in the second bracket. Okay, this is just another way of showing you. 2x times 4x. 2x times 9. Positive 18x. Then you take the second term in the bracket and you multiply it by each term in the second bracket. Okay, just so you remember the order. Negative 7 times positive 4. And then times 4x, good, is x. negative 7 times positive 9, negative 63. Combine your like terms. Those are the only like terms, right? What's the final answer? Minus 10x. No, it's positive 18. Take away 28. Raise your hand if you got this as your final answer. You should have 8x squared, negative 10x, and negative 63. It's 3x times 3x. Good. What's the next term? 3x times positive 5 is positive 15x. And the next term, negative 5 times 3x is negative 15x. And the last term, negative 5 times positive 5, Ian? Negative 25. Shh. 9x squared. What's 15x? Take away 15x. 0. Do I have to write that? So, well, 0 we could. We could put 0x. But what's 0 times anything? So simplify 9x squared. Okay, just like if I said 5 squared equals 5 times 5, right? 2x plus 3 squared equals 2x plus 3 times 2x plus 3. You're writing it out. And then you expand, okay? 2x times 2x, 4x squared. Brittany, what's the next one? Good. Plus 6x plus 9. Final answer simplified. 4x squared plus 12x plus 9.
Made with Doodlecast Pro.